In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the favicon in Elementor. As you can see, the favicon that currently appears in the browser tab is the default WordPress icon. If you want to replace it with your own, you can do so easily. Start by editing your site with Elementor. Once you're in the editor, look for the site settings icon at the upper left-hand side of your screen and click on it. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you find the option called Site Identity and select it. Inside Site Identity, scroll a bit further down until you find the Site Favicon section. Under this, you will see this area labeled Choose Image. Click on it, and you'll be able to select any image from your media library. If you prefer, you can also upload a new file directly from your device. Once you've chosen the image you want to use as your favicon, click on Select at the bottom right corner of the window. After that, don't forget to click on Save Changes at the bottom left corner of the screen to apply it. Now, if you go to your site and refresh it, you'll see that the favicon in the Browser tab has been successfully updated to the new image you selected. And this is how you can change the favicon in Elementor.